go left to right. Okay, how far out we can feed them. We'll go from the edge there. $33", which is 84. See, it's in centimetres, bloody thing. 840. 840 for the Rayco discount bin. For the Stanley, the new one, off eBay, £7 exactly, which is 2,130. Just over 2 meters. I think I got that one to 2.5 before. But anyhow, this is more of a controlled experiment, and it's where my finger is that it cracks at. So you never do that. Okay, it's new. I'm still getting used to it. Just bit me the little. Anyhow, now the Stanley 8-meter Tylon, thin, much thinner than the Fat Max, because he's the Fat Max. He's the Slim Max. Alright, how far we can go. It was 1800. Cheap, nasty. Advertised to go out to 3 meters. The Stanley Fat Max 8-meter metric. He's nearly touching the floor. I'll bring him up a bit. What did we say? 3 meters. Oh. 3.5 meters. 3,500. $3,500. Yep. Short-term memory at the end of the day. Oh, in order, he was always going to win. The other older Stanley. Followed by the new Stanley. Wider tape too, so I think. Now they're the same. Well, that's 5 minutes of my life I'll never get back.